Take a moment to check out the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this boldly contemporary Mitsubishi Outlander, the versatile compact crossover with a range of available features like 3-row seating and all-wheel drive to help your busy life run smoothly. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, 3rd-row seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Feel a new sense of optimism in this inspired Outlander. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.